Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing slash first impression of the BT-Charlie 3400 intelligent battery charger. I think it's Opus brand. Anyway, I got this from the DC workshop for about $49 through Amazon. So this is outside the box. Let you know what sort of displays you're going to get. Keeps you going apparently. German, English, French. So in the back, so I've never had an intelligent charger for the purpose of charging lithiums. So this is all new to me. But I saw a lot of reviews that the Opus battery charger is really good. And I don't see Opus anywhere on here, so maybe this is like a non-branded Opus. A lot of stuff made in China is just sort of a blank slate, and they slap a brand on it. I like to put manuals on my reviews and unboxings, because if you're anything like me, you'll lose the manual one day and you'll be like, oh, we're gonna get another one. Especially for these oddball imports and things like that, you're never gonna get another manual very easily. So this is a pretty well to do thing to document this stuff, because it might come handy in the future. Plus, if you're in the market, a lot of reviews I've noticed don't put the manual. So I mean, if you want to read the stuff for yourself, what are you gonna do? Go find one? It's better just put the manual in the review. If you don't want to go through all this, you just skip ahead or whatever. If you want to go through it, just pause it. Pretty easy, right? So I want to make this video short and sweet. Don't know how much room on this SD card there is, so let's kind of hurry through this. Looks like I got some reading to do. And the last page. Okay, there we go. Opus. But yeah, you don't see any Opus on the box. So anyway, so what do you get? Well, you get the unit itself, compared to a kind of a adult male hand there. It's about the size of it. You get a what they call it, a car charger for a cigarette lighter. But anymore, they had DC ports and stuff, 12-volt DC ports in cars and things. Got an AC wall wart is a nickname for these. Plug it in your alternating current power. So you got You got some options. That's nothing, just air. And then you get the unit. I think this is just packing, yeah. That's it. Short and sweet. It was easy. There's plenty of reviews on these Opus things, so I'm not gonna fire it up just yet, but I just kind of want to go over what I got. This helps me build my channel, and gives another perspective for people that are in the market for things. It's got that new car smell, you know, the plastic. Oh. Looks like the vents are open in this one. There's a model that didn't have open vents. I saw a review on it. It has a piece of tape over. I think that was a demo version or something, but yeah, let's look at the ports. Wow. Little fan. Alright. The plastic doesn't feel cheap. Feels like a good quality. I don't know how to explain it. There's some things that feel cheap. This doesn't. I'm not feeling any burrs and junk. So that's a good sign. Feels like it's kind of thick too. Hopefully. Alright, well, I'm going to end this review. This is Military Industrial Museum. This is the Opus Bravo Tango Charlie 3400 intelligent battery charger. Thank you for sticking around, and hopefully you get what you're looking for.